In this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Google Pixel 8a Pro, 7 or 7 Pro. By following these steps, you will ensure that your device is restored to its original settings, erasing all content in the process. Before you proceed with the reset, it is essential to back up important data. This includes contacts, photos, apps, and any other vital files. You can use Google Drive or an external storage device for this purpose. Make sure to double check that nothing important is left unbacked. Understanding the backup process is crucial to preventing accidental data loss, as a factory reset will erase all content on your device. To access the factory reset option, open the Settings app on your Pixel device. Scroll down until you see the option labeled System. Once you select System, look for Reset Options and tap on it. Within this menu, you will find the option labeled Erase All Data Factory Resets. Select this option and confirm your identity by entering your PIN or password. It is important to carefully read the warning that all content will be deleted and only proceed if you are sure you want to reset your device completely. After confirming your choice, the device will begin the process of erasing all data and restoring factory settings. This process may take several minutes and you will see a loading indicator during this time. Once the reset is complete, the phone will restart automatically. It is important to verify that all data has been cleared before proceeding to the next step. Once your Pixel has restarted, you will be greeted with the setup screen. At this point, you can choose to set up the device as new or restore it from the backup you created earlier. This flexibility allows you to customize your device according to your preferences. Performing a factory reset can resolve various issues such as performance lag or software glitches, ensuring your Pixel is functioning optimally. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.